To set up an ACH payment, first ensure you have a business account, as this feature is typically not available with personal accounts. If you don't have a business account, you can visit a branch or the website to open one. Next, log in to your online banking platform or the business mobile app using your business account credentials. From there, enroll in ACH services by navigating to the Transfer or Payment section and looking for the ACH Transfer or Payment option. If you're not already enrolled, you may need to sign up, which could involve filling out a form or contacting customer support. Once enrolled, input the payment details, including the recipient's information, such as name, account number, and routing number, as well as the payment amount, date, and any recurring payment preferences. After confirming the payment details, authorize the transaction, which may require verifying the payment with a one-time password sent to your phone or email. Finally, use the online banking platform to manage and track your scheduled or completed ACH payments. And consider setting up recurring payments for regular transactions.